we go. Welcome back to the channel. We have a brand new bowling ball. It's probably one of the most hyped up ones of the year. It's the Equinox Hybrid.
What's up, man? I got salt and pepper here. Got Mr. Salt and Pepper. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. No, it's black and yellow. What do you mean? As you can see, we're rocking some EFX merch. If you guys would like to purchase some, you can with a discounted rate of DATA at checkout. 10% off. EFX.co. Link is in the description below. We just restocked. But anyways, Equinox.
What? A new shirt?
Yeah, all the shirts.
Okay.
Yeah, new ball carry. We got a new one.
What about the?
We got a black and yellow one coming. It's not out yet, but it's coming. But
black and yellow.
We got a new ball. Let's focus on
all right,
new ball.
let's talk about it.
All right, we're going to take from the TV Bowling Supply channel their 450 challenge.
Oh wow!
But we're gonna do a 215 challenge. 215. One Baker game. Lance bowls the odd frames. I bowl the even frames. If at some point you guys want us to switch, you can bowl the 10 frame. I don't care.
Why do I bowl the odd frames?
Because you're an oddball.
Okay.
We got Equinox hybrids. Lance is gonna kick us off. Hopefully, you won't walk in front of the camera. But here we go. Hey, 215 challenge. The lanes are a little sticky today.
I post up like I want to.
We got some sticky approaches here. Lance is a 5x5x2 layout.
5x5x2.
5x5x2. And I actually laid it out correctly this time.
You better have.
I did. The last 2 or 3 balls I messed up. Oh, he's a gamer. Oh, never mind. He sucks. 2 messengers. That was cool.
I know, but hey, I didn't step in front of the camera.
Yeah, so they could see the messengers actually go take out the 10.
Well, that's not that. Well, that's good. You know, I don't have
spare it up. Spare it up.
No spare balls either.
This is easy. This is easy. All we have to do, there are 2 doubles to stay clean, and they're like swimwear.
I have a problem with staying clean.
So I need you to throw at least 1 strike.
I got you.
And I need to strike when you strike.
Step away from the camera.
Yeah, the camera definitely didn't see that one, but it's fine. I think the one up there should have.
It should have. Better have.
All right, so this is going to be our new way of reviewing the ball. Equinox Hybrid. I have a 5x5x3 and a 6x4x6. A different layout that I've never used before. I'm going to use the 5-inch first because it's stronger, but this is the hybrid. It's in the name, the hybrid version of the Equinox. I personally believe this is the best one yet. I think this one's going to be very good. Versatility is the name of the game with this ball. Oh, that needs help.
Messenger, are you trying to copy me?
That was the same hit.
It was the same hit.
I didn't throw that one very good. This lane hooks way less than that one.
You know, instead of saying you didn't throw it really good, why don't you throw it good and say you threw it good?
I'll say I threw it good when I throw it good.
Well, throw it good then. I'm gonna need you to get a double.
All right, fine.
You need to stay clean.
If I'm gonna miss, it's better I miss when you don't strike. Okay, so same core, they tweak the cover. The cover is a little bit different. This 6x6x6er is curvature. If you're interested in more of my layouts, and maybe I'll post Lance's layouts there as well, check out the Patreon. Link is also in the description below. I know you can get them in the videos like this, but that is my library of layouts if you guys are interested in what I use all in one place.
Is it like a library where you sit down and have like a cigar? And
it's like a library where you're scrolling through your phone and you can just see all the layouts and all the different bowling balls.
Ooh.
The only thing missing is you can't smell them.
What's this smell like?
What do you think it smells like?
The earth?
Equinox Earth. Oh? Oh no. We need the spare ball. Hey, you got this?
Hey, I do have this.
Okay.
I thought that was a good shot.
Yeah?
You know?
I thought you pet the kitty a little too soft. How do you feel about this ball so far?
I'll tell you after this shot.
I'll tell you after I shoot a spare. This is how you know it's a really good ball if he picks this up. Oh my God. He doesn't need a spare ball? Everyone was like, he needs a spare ball, drill the spare ball.
Nah.
Like, what's the next ball Lance needs? Spare ball, spare ball.
Oh, you know
spare
what?
ball.
It's not that I need a spare ball. I need to practice the technique.
You know what you need? You need to just strike so you don't need a spare ball.
Exactly. That's what I plan to do all the time. So I leave some pins.
All right, I'm gonna try to start us off right here. Talk a lot.
What are you doing? I'm gonna need you to recalibrate and come on. We gotta get this.
I'm gonna spare this. I'm gonna spare this. I'm gonna spare this.
We gotta get this 215.
I'm gonna spare this. This is the house shot.
You're not gonna leave the left.
This ball does come shiny out of the box.
You got it, man. Fair king. Ooh, that's it. Pet that kitty. And one more. Okay.
I told you I had it. Okay, well, now we gotta start throwing some strikes.
Okay.
All right.
You want me to lead it?
I'm gonna switch to the 6.
Oh, I'm gonna pet that kitty.
No, you gotta aggressively scratch the kitty's tummy.
That makes so much sense.
I feel like I needed to make it as
So I think like this, inside the ball.
Yeah. A little more grip pressure.
All right, I'm scratching the kitty. The kitty says, meow.
Oh, Brooklyn. This is slowly getting more and more tricky. We're running out of frames, but we're still clean.
Hey, you said stay clean. That's all you said, right?
Well, we need a couple doubles.
Oh, double.
We gotta start striking a little.
Oh, hey. You're right.
What else are we supposed to talk about? Yeah, okay, Equinox, hybrid.
I like it so far, but it hasn't been doing it.
I feel like hybrid balls are the kinds of balls that you throw all the time or never. It feels like a ball that you can probably throw all the time. Yeah.
Stay clean. Professionally so clean. It's no I'm just so fresh, so clean. Little Outcast for you.
Hey, all right.
That's one of my favorite albums.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
The speaker, the Love Below and Speaker Box.
Nice. All right, so in terms of all the stronger balls that we have, this is still in the strong ball category, but on the weaker tier, if that makes sense.
Come on now.
All right,
Lead the way. Oh, let's see what he gets.
Maybe.
Oh, you want to be in there. What are you doing? You gotta stay clean, my friend.
I thought about moving too. God, that was so good.
Hey, you have the nice
good.
shirt. You're so good, man.
Thanks.
Does that bowling ball eat like that? Like, with headphones?
Those are his ears.
Is that a boba ball? Or is this a bowling
I
ball?
don't have my chamois. We haven't done a strike yet.
All right, come on, you got it. Focus. Stay clean. Is he gonna do it?
Oh, that's got a chance. Go.
Ooh.
I had to go for it.
Ooh.
Okay, now we need them all.
All strikes?
Yeah.
Wow, this is harder than I thought. All right, well, my back's starting to hurt.
You're back and you haven't thrown a strike yet.
I went into the future and I saw what I threw.
I don't think we're doing a good job of making this ball look good on a house shot.
Well, I got you, Storm.
If you guys are having trouble striking and you're hitting the pocket a lot, I recommend hitting your ball with a little bit of surface.
But we can't do that in the middle of a game.
Well, it's YouTube. We can do whatever we want.
You're right.
Should we do it?
No. Okay. What do you think?
Do you think you're going to strike on the shot?
Yeah.
Then go.
Little chuckle. Here we go. There it is.
Oh.
I told you. What'd I tell you, man?
That had a little bit of surface. I might have been 10 in the pit.
I hit it with my surface. My kitty surface.
Did you say your kitty surface?
Yeah. I was scratching the surface.
Okay, I'm going to move 2 here.
Just scratching the surface.
It's do or die now. We either do it or we don't.
About time. Booyah.
Come on!
You want to take the pressure or me?
We need this one. It's a Baker game, so you have to pull this frame.
Okay. Well, good thing I brought my chef hat.
The fate of this challenge is now in your hands.
No, it's in your hands.
Well, if you don't strike here, it doesn't matter.
Dog? No. Don't put the pressure on me.
You want that surface now?
No. I don't. Hey, I'm not going to.
You want to go to the gym after this?
I have to work, dude.
No, that sucks.
Gotta make money. Scratch that kitty. Meow, meow, kitty. Oh, no. No. Oh.
That's close. I thought because you spun that one extra, I thought it was going to hold.
I didn't know what was going to happen.
We didn't throw very many strikes.
Equinox?
This is the freest double of my life. There's no more pressure.
Well, I had a clean game.
All right. Yeah. You did your job. If I struck in the 6, we'd be fine. Because that'd be 220. I think this 215 challenge is going to be kind of difficult.
Baker, you beat us. Oh, now you want to show up.
I'm lined up now.
I think we should just do this challenge again.
We will for the next ball.
Well, can we do the lance challenge?
What's the Lance challenge?
Yeah, try to get 300. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
We're barely gonna bowl 200.
Alright, whose
ball
fault
go?
is that?
My ball's gone.
Wink, wink.
All right, what's missing in a ball review? I don't know. Oh, there it is. So I'll throw on the other one. Ah, sticky! Go.
That sounded great.
That didn't matter.
Man, Equinox is getting a lot of splits, man.
You know why? It's got that down lane motion.
But I also gotta get some lane wear on it.
That is true. They're very fresh. I typically hit my ball with a little bit of surface. So if we were to do this again and we were to make the adjustments, I'd probably hit both of our bowling balls with some surface.
Nice. Well, we picked up a lot of splits, dude.
Two? I left too many. Personally, I do feel like this ball's got a lot of usability. I don't think it's a game one ball for myself. Do you feel like you could throw this ball game one?
I don't know.
I think it's really good for our league because it's a burn league.
Yeah.
Second shift.
Okay.
Personally, for me, because my rev rate's a little higher, my ball likes to. Maybe not a game one ball for me. So this is probably the worst time to use it.
Okay.
For us. For you, it looked pretty close. I think just a little bit of surface. Perfect. For me, I probably had to be a little bit better with my hand. Yeah, our first challenge with the Equinox Equinox Hybrid was a failure. We did not shoot 215.
Well, it wasn't us. I mean, it wasn't the ball. It was us. I think we could have done better.
This ball's probably going in my bag because I don't throw a lot of really strong balls, but this one, as you can see, plenty of shape down the lane. Ooh. So if I need a bigger block when they start to clip, I'm throwing Equinox Hybrid. When are you throwing this?
I'm gonna throw this whenever I feel like it. And that's when the lanes feel good to throw this ball. And that is around the second game.
All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace.